Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Seat Arona. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's a black roof, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. For this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, cruise control, the smartphone charging plate. The car also features blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.